E36 M3 individual obviously started life Imola red and was painted silver very, very early in its life. I'm not quite sure when, by a BMW main dealer for a client, I assume. And it's now owned by a lovely chap that we've got to know, who's actually a very experienced technician. But he wanted our opinion on the car, and also for us to take on some of the work that he felt we were better qualified to do. And that was really giving him a really good report on the car mechanically, giving him something to work with himself over the next few years. But obviously concentrating on the oh so important corrosion. And the good news on this car, despite at the beginning of this short film, you can see some certain areas that look very frightening. It was all caught just in time, and it really was just surface rust. And we've managed to spend about 2.5 weeks under here, getting this car, huge areas of it, back to bare metal, eliminating, getting rid of all that red and ginger surface corrosion, getting back to shiny bare steel, and then reapplying all the original products to this car, and then future-proofing the shell with clear cavity wax. But it was great to be working with the owner to really ensure that we delivered back to him a car saved, preserved with real integrity, and not requiring any bodywork for a very long time. We only wish we could get more of these cars in for these type of inspections to give people the advice they need. So often we're deluded and look at the outside of our car, which looks wonderful, but you've got to get these cars washed underneath, inspected, very carefully inspect all the product to look for cracks where the product's lost its elasticity and has gone brittle, and there may be hairline cracks in the product, and water has crept up underneath. The rear bulkhead on most 3 Series, E36, E46 and newer, suffers terribly along these joints here and all of these brackets. But we're thrilled to be handing this E36 back, structurally superb and properly future-proofed for a few decades to come.